I'm actually recording. What do you have in your hand there, Ed?
It's a big ass check I got in my hand.
So how long did it take you to make that?
Actual work time, probably about 5 hours. Actual time in the business, actually doing something, maybe 2 weeks.
That's it, 2 weeks? And you're getting, actually you're going to make, off this deal, you're going to make a total of how much? About 62?
About 62, 75
Geez.
For about 5 hours worth of work.
Now, explain that to everybody. 62, what is it, 6,200?
$6,275.
There we go.
Whatever 25,100 is divided by 4.
Okay.
It's more money than I make in a month at my job.
Exactly. And that's for just, what, flipping, not real estate, but flipping what?
A contract.
A contract.
Yeah.
So nothing you own, right?
Yeah, I don't own the house, never owned the house. Guy that wanted to buy the house gave me a check for 6G for something that I don't own, which is more than I make in a month.
So how sweet
more
is
than
that?
you make in a month.
So how sweet is that?
I'm still euphoric.
Sweet.
It's crazy that this is happening right now.
Absolutely. So can anybody do this pretty much?
Yeah. I mean, not to say that I'm not brilliant, because I am, but you don't have to be brilliant. Anyone can do this.
Nice.
A monkey can do this.
Nice.
So, for the monkeys out there that want to get paid, you're on the right path.